just stopped by the Shire. Just like that. It's gonna be fun, man. I'm a fan of the movies. Let's see what it looks like.
You know, I'd never seen the movies either, but I'm excited.
What? You haven't seen the movies?
Hey, ask him that.
What? You haven't seen the movies?
No.
I'm Ellie from Mono.
Hey, I'm James.
Nice to meet you.
Hey guys, how's it going? Let's get the show on the road.
So you guys big fans of Lord of the Rings, or how did this
Yeah, are you a big fan, Vinz?
You a big city living girlfriend like Eva Mendes until your side chick.
We are in Hobbiton.
Now you're alone and crying. Inside you're slowly dying. Cause magic might just got your key. That's how you know you fucked up.
Me would look tall.
Yeah.
I had to bend my head. Hey, welcome. We're cooking fufu and jollof rice. Just step inside and enjoy.
We got rabbit on the fan.
Yeah, plantains. Yeah. You shall not pass, my precious. Rolex watch. My precious.
Damn, why is his house? Damn, why is his house?
Orcs.
Then you should be an actor, bro. Change careers.
I didn't like it. Do it again.
I actually got really sweaty just off of that little run.
That's how you know you fucked up. That's how you know you fucked up.
What do you think, bro? What do you think of this place?
I don't know. I'm a bit too tall, but it's okay.
You just mentioned that you're too tall, right? I feel like for once I'm at the right height. What do you think of the beer?
Splendid.
Some old school stuff.
Oh, cool.
Don't try me, don't cross me, because I will slice you. It's crazy to have seen something on the screen and then seeing it here. It actually looks, to me, even better in real life. And I would have never imagined, because it's not usually like that when you watch movies. Movies look better on screen, right? But this is really interesting to see.
Sorry, bro.
No worries, dude. Thanks so much, man.
Catch you later, bro. Catch you, mate. So yeah, that was the Hobbiton tour. It was amazing. It was so cool being on the set. Like, I'd never been there before. It was the first time. It was cool seeing the boys, seeing their reactions as well and all that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Catch ya.
Oh, you know.